Today, we're making the best chicken wings you've ever had in your life. They're pretty healthy. They're going straight in the oven, no frying, and they're still banging. So let's go and make it. I'm gonna go in with some all-purpose seasoning. I am using Dunn's River one. About 2 tablespoons. Then a little black pepper, about a teaspoon. Some smoked paprika, about a teaspoon. I'm gonna go in with some garlic granules. Then my trusted green seasoning. My fresh ingredients all blended up. A little splash of olive oil. You're gonna season it up with clean hands. This is the part that everyone loves or doesn't. All them seasoning combining together, it smells so good. That green seasoning, that all-purpose, it's really good. And season like that, then it's all good. I'm gonna wash my hands. Make sure you wash your hands. Clean it up. When you're ready to take the chicken out of the fridge, make sure you preheat the oven at 200 degrees. I don't know what that is in the Fahrenheit. I'll just put it there. And we put the chicken onto the tray. So let's do that now. Alright. Now I'm laying these wings out one by one, making sure they've got enough space between them. And yeah, that one clearly wasn't ready for the oven yet. Don't worry, we'll sort you out. Once they're all lined up like this, you can already tell they're about to come out serious. Into a fully preheat oven they go. This is where the magic happens, trust me. So right now I'm about to make a sauce for the wings. It's going to be a nice little glaze, literally just a barbecue sauce. I'm using jerk barbecue sauce and honey, literally that's it. I might add a little something to it, but that's the basis of it, so let's make it. So I'm starting with 2 tablespoons of jerk barbecue sauce as the base, then I'm adding a teaspoon of honey for that bit of sweetness, a teaspoon of dark soy sauce to bring in that depth and richness, and finally a teaspoon of rice vinegar just to balance everything out and cut through that sweetness. Give that a proper mix until everything comes together into a smooth glossy sauce. And once you see it falling off the spoon like this, you know it's ready. As soon as you open up that oven and that heat karate chops you in your face, you know something good's happening in there. So here I'm just turning over each wing to make sure to cook it evenly and get that colour all the way around. Now you want to check the temperature inside. Right now it's over 82 degrees. Back to the wings. You can see they're starting to take on colour now. Look at the texture on that. Crispy on the outside but still tender on the inside. Now I'm brushing over that glaze, making sure every single wing is coated properly so you get that flavour on every bite. At this stage they're already looking crazy, but we're not done yet. Back into the oven for another 5 minutes, just enough time for that sauce to caramelise and stick to the wings. And this is what you're left with, sticky, glossy wings with that perfect finish. Now all you gotta do is plate them up nicely and add a touch of parsley. And trust me, you're not gonna want to share these.